Welcome everyone. Today we are revising non-renewable sources of energy. We're going to look at what non-renewable energy is, where it comes from, why we use it, and what problems it causes. Let's get started. Non-renewable energy sources take millions of years to form underground. This means we cannot replace them quickly, and once we use them up, we will face shortages. This is why they are called non-renewable. The main types are coal, oil, natural gas, and nuclear energy. Fossil fuels have long history. When plants and animals died long ago, their remains were buried under layers of sand and rock. Over millions of years, heat and pressure transformed these remains into coal, oil, or natural gas. Because this process is so slow, we cannot replace fossil fuels once we use them up. Coal is the most important fossil fuel used in South Africa. It is burned in power stations to generate electricity. However, coal is a big source of pollution. Burning it releases carbon dioxide, which contributes to climate change. Mining also destroys habitats. Oil is used mainly for transportation: cars, trucks, planes, and ships. It also uses to make plastic. But oil spills can cause long-term lasting harm to the environment, especially the ocean. Like coal, oil also produces greenhouse gases when burnt. Natural gas produces less pollution than coal and oil, so many countries use it as a bridge fuel. However, it still contributes to climate change, and the methods used to extract it, such as fracking, can impact groundwater supplies. Nuclear energy is produced by splitting uranium atoms. Koeberg, South Africa's only nuclear power plant, produces a large amount of electricity with almost no air pollution. However, it is very expensive, and the radioactive waste remains dangerous for thousands of years. Although fossil fuels power our modern world, they cause a lot of environmental damage. Burning them produces greenhouse gases, mining destroys land, and oil spills damage ecosystems. As these resources become scarcer, electricity becomes more expensive. Understanding non-renewable energy helps us realize why the world is moving towards renewable options. The choice we make today will impact our environment in the future. Good luck for your exam.